How to make all public posts private on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Facebook. Click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your name at the top. Then click on three dots which is beside edit profile. Then click on activity log. After you click on activity log, at the top, you'll find public post. Click on it. After you click on public post, click on all located at top. After you select all, which simply means you have selected all the public posts, then click on three dots located at bottom right corner of your screen and then click on change audience at the bottom. After you click on change audience, you'll find change audience again, click on it. Then make it only me if you want private, but if your friends want to see, click on friends, or simply if private, change it to only me and confirm. After that, all your public posts will be private. And this is how to make all public posts private on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.